Hey drone lovers, welcome back to Consumer Heaven. If you're on the hunt for a high-performing drone that doesn't drain your bank account, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best budget drones of the year, packed with 4K cameras, steady flight controls, and features that used to be reserved for premium models. Whether you're a content creator chasing cinematic shots, a traveler wanting epic aerials, or just a hobbyist ready to level up, these drones deliver serious value without the premium price tag. And don't blink, because number 2 has a pro-level feature usually found in drones 3 times the cost. As always, I've linked all the best Amazon deals for every drone featured in the description and pinned comment, so if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's jump into the sky and get started with number 5. Number 5. The Rise Tello. Now, I know what you're thinking. DJI made this, so it must be good, right? Well, yes and no. The Tello is basically DJI's entry-level drone, created in partnership with Rise. At around $99, it's super affordable and surprisingly capable for what you pay. What's great about the Tello? It's stupidly easy to fly. You can control it straight from your smartphone, and the app is super intuitive. Sure, the 720p camera won't win any awards, but for your first drone, it's perfect for learning the ropes and grabbing some basic aerial shots. Plus, it has DJI's legendary stabilization tech built in, so you're less likely to crash it into a tree on your first flight. Flight time is about 13 minutes, which isn't amazing, but remember, we're talking about a $100 drone. And here's something cool, it's programmable with Scratch, which makes it great for kids or anyone wanting to learn about coding. Weighing just 80 grams, you often don't even need to register it in most countries. Downsides: no GPS, no obstacle avoidance, and a limited range of about 100 meters. But if you're just starting out, the Tello is absolute gold. Number 4. The Holystone HS440. This little drone really punches above its weight. At around $130, Holystone has packed in features you'd usually see on pricier models. It comes with a 2K camera that's surprisingly decent, perfect for social media or casual flying. What blew me away is the 26-minute flight time. Most drones at this price struggle to hit 15 minutes, so getting nearly half an hour is a game changer. You also get GPS positioning, which means return to home, and position hold, super handy for beginners. And check this out, it has smart features like follow me mode, orbit mode, and even waypoint flying, impressive for under $150. The build feels solid and the controller is comfy for longer sessions. Sure, it's slightly plasticky and not the most compact for travel, but at this price, the HS440 delivers way more value than you'd expect. Number 3. The Potensic Atom SE. Now we're stepping things up. At around $199, it's at the higher end of budget, but trust me, it's worth it. The Atom SE is Potensic's answer to the DJI mini-series, and they've done a surprisingly good job. The standout is its GPS system, super accurate and reliable for stable flying. Then there's the 4K camera. The footage is sharp, colorful, and paired with a 3-axis gimbal, it stays buttery smooth. Flight time? About 32 minutes, which rivals drones twice its price. It folds down neatly for travel and feels premium in hand. Plus, it has intelligent flight modes, follow me, orbit, and more, and the app is intuitive and stable. Obstacle avoidance isn't as advanced as top-end DJI drones, but it works decently. The only catch? Spare parts can be harder to find, but most casual pilots won't notice. Number 2. The DJI Mini 2 SE. This was a tough call between number 2 and number 1. At around $299, it's the priciest on this list, but it's still fantastic value. Think of it as a streamlined version of the regular Mini 2. The 2.7K camera produces great footage, even good enough for professional use in a pinch. The 3-axis gimbal is smooth as silk, and the overall video quality is a step above everything else here. Flight time sits at about 31 minutes, and the build is pure DJI, premium and reliable. Weighing just 249 grams, you won't need FAA registration in most places. Where it really shines? DJI's mature ecosystem, regular updates, reliable GPS, polished intelligent flight modes, and excellent customer support. The only reason it's not number 1? The price. At $299, it stretches the budget category. But if you can swing it, it's the closest you'll get to a pro drone without spending big. And finally, number 1, the Ruco F11 GIM. I know, Ruco isn't a household name like DJI, but hear me out. At $179, this drone is incredible value. You get a 4K camera on a 2-axis gimbal, footage is sharp, colorful, and impressively stable. The 28-minute flight time is right up there with much pricier drones. It has reliable GPS, return to home, position hold, and even folds down for travel. But what really makes it shine, an absolutely loaded feature set: Follow Me, Orbit, Waypoint Flying, all in a sub-$200 package. The controller feels solid, and while the app isn't as polished as DJI's, it works fine. Sure, brand recognition isn't the same and customer support might not be as strong, but for most casual pilots and content creators, the F11 GIM gives you everything you need without breaking the bank. So there you have it, my picks for the best budget drones right now. If one caught your eye, check out the links below for the latest deals. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which drone you'd love to fly. Thanks for watching, and happy flying!